Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful trending braided wig using darling extension. I used my mannequin, wig cap, hairbrush, scissors, hair bonding glue and got to be glue. So right now I'm going to cut the attachment into two because I want it to be long. So after cutting it, I'm going to pick the strands. Why I'm picking these strands is because I don't want it to look bulky at the tip. I want it to be slim. So right now, I'll be applying my hair cream. You can use any hair cream of your choice. Rub the hair cream on the attachment and make sure you comb very well. So right now, I'll be cutting the hair into some parts, small and big. The small parts, I'll be using it from the beginning of the braiding. Then I'll be adding the bigger one in the middle. And you know, this is how braiding works. So right now, I'll be starting with the smaller strands and make sure it's tight enough. I like tight hair because it looks neat and trust me, this is gonna last for you. You're gonna add the bigger strands now. So after adding the bigger strands, we add smaller ones, then braid down. So I'm gonna repeat the same process here so you would see it clearly in case you didn't get the first one. I always make sure you check the sizes of the ones you braided so it won't look bigger than others. Start from the smaller strands, then the bigger strands. This is how it works. So this is my mannequin, this is my wig cap and my lace. Sew the lace on the wig cap. Why you're doing this is because you're going to cut the wig cap. Adding this lace closure gives it this natural look. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you'll see my next video because I'm going to show you how I make this same wig using needle and thread. So I'll be using my hair bonding glue on the attachment. I will apply it on the attachment and then place with my pin. Make sure you use your pin because it's this pin that will hold the attachment. It makes it to be firm on it so that when you dry it, it will not be in different directions. Okay, so you just have to be careful. You just place it on it, carefully place it on the attachment and then pin it. The only disadvantage of this hair bonding glue is if you're not careful enough, it will mess your wig up. So that is why you have to be careful. So use your pin on it properly. So I keep repeating the whole thing. It's just a simple method. Anybody can do this, trust me. Keep repeating the same process. They are getting there. So the got to be glued is optional, okay? You can use your hair bonding glue alone. So this is the back. So right now I'm going to start creating my baby hair. It's very important in this braided wig, yeah, because it gives it this natural look. So when you are using the baby hair, just use any type of edge control. So this is how the head looks like. Isn't this beautiful? I'm so loving it. Thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.